Hi, this is Mary Rafa. I'm a CPA specialized in bookkeeping cleanup and in improving accounting processes. So let's continue our training on NetSuite. So let's go to Setup Manager, Company, Enable Features, and scroll down and look for Multiple Currencies and Currency Exchange Rate Integration. So when do you enable this multiple currency feature? You enable this if your business transacts with vendors that are sending you bills in a different currency besides the US dollar. To be more specific, for example, you have a vendor bill in Canadian dollars. You would enter it and pay the bill in Canadian dollars. However, in NetSuite, it will convert that Canadian dollars into US dollars on your general ledger. To do this, go to the currency setup for the vendor by going to the vendor profile. Scroll down to the financial tab. So on the currency section, set up to the currency that's stated on the bill. For this example, the bill is in 10 Canadian dollars and the exchange rate is an automatic feed from NetSuite. And this feed is based from the preferred exchange rate provider. Here's an example how the check will print, and if you notice, that will be the full amount of the bill. And now let's look at the impact on your general ledger. And if you notice, it is now converted from Canadian dollars to a US dollar. If you'd like to learn more about NetSuite, don't forget to click like, subscribe, follow, and share.